An under the radar project is up 600% in 6 months. Can you guess which one? Well, we'll give you the answer in just a second, but first, a big shout out to all the Cardano investors out there. It's been a rocky road, and all the hodlers who have been in ADA for a while have definitely earned their gains. Cardano is now the number 3 cryptocurrency on the price charts, and we're happy for everyone who's coming along for the ride. Speaking of gains, an obscure token is up 100% after partnering with TikTok, and Circle wants to become a fully regulated US bank. We'll tell you why and what the move could mean for USDC in the years to come. Stick around as we dive into the deep end on this week's Exodus Crypto News. Welcome everybody, we're glad to have you back with us, and if this is your first rodeo, I'm Chris Merkel, and you should click those like and subscribe buttons right now so you never miss out on a weekly video from Exodus. 6 months ago, a savvy investor could have bought Solana at $10 a coin. That would have been a great investment given that today you're looking at $73 a coin, a cool 627% gain in just half a year. Now to put that into context, for the same period Bitcoin is down 16% and Ethereum is only up 64%. This is shaping up to be a steal the show moment for Solana, and here to tell us all about it is Leah Halpern. What's happening here, Leah? Can you tell us what's going on with the so-called Solana summer?
Hey Chris, you're right. It's definitely looking like a Solana summer. The Sol token has been trending up for the last few months, but the recent gains are the most impressive since Sol is up 63% in just the last 4 days. It's all-time highs after all-time highs, and Solana trading volume has doubled in the last week. I think one of the key drivers of this rally is that some people are getting really tired of Ethereum's high gas fees. It's not like this is a new thing. Ethereum fees have been high for more than a year now, and there's enough people who are willing to switch to a new platform that other smart contract platforms like Solana can capture some of the market share. For instance, Solana's DeFi movement just hit $2 billion in total value locked in for the very first time. Now, that's hardly a drop in the bucket compared to the $83 billion locked up in Ethereum, but you have to remember how quickly these numbers can grow. Ethereum went from $2 billion total value locked into DeFi to $60 billion in just 1 year. It would probably be hard for Solana to grow that fast, but I do think that a lot of investors are betting that even if Solana doesn't take off quite as fast as Ethereum did, it's still going to grow in the coming years. And it's not just me saying this either. DeFi investor Daniel Chung recently released a report claiming that Solana presents one of the best risk-reward opportunities out of any other cryptocurrency. So Daniel believes that the 1 to 2 combo of scalability along with low fees is enough to make Solana one of the most promising Ethereum competitors. That's the state of the market, and we will keep you updated as the Solana project continues to grow. Back to you, Chris.
Thanks for that, Leah. We're all excited to see what Solana is capable of in the coming months.
Es oficial, te doy la bienvenida al canal de Exodus en español, tu lugar para los mejores videos cripto.
That's right, we launched a YouTube channel for our Spanish-speaking audience. Click this link and check it out. If you have Spanish-speaking friends, share a video with them because there are many more on the way. The number one criticism of stablecoins is that they're not fully transparent about their reserves backing up their tokens. All of the major stablecoins claim that they are backed one-to-one by dollar or dollar equivalents. But are they really? Anyone who has been in crypto for long enough knows all about the never-ending Tether drama. Thankfully, Circle, the company which issues the USDC token, wants to put an end to these concerns once and for all. According to a recent article from their website, Circle wants to become a US-friendly chartered national commercial bank. A move which could put them under the authority of the Federal Reserve, US Treasury, OCC, and the FDIC. Now, there are 2 key advantages to becoming a bank for Circle. As a fully compliant bank, it's unlikely that the company would have to worry about any further regulation. After all, what's more regulated than a bank? Second, becoming a bank would make Circle and USDC the unquestioned leader in security and transparency. The USDC is already considered one of the safest stablecoins, but getting a bank charter would make USDC even more attractive to institutional users. Now, the application process isn't easy, and no stablecoin issuer has ever become a federally chartered bank before, so we don't know how all this is going to work out, but we'll be here to let you know the outcome either way.
Exodus is delighted to announce the public trading of Exodus shares directly from inside your wallet in connection with tZero, the global leader in blockchain technology for capital markets.
To stay up to date on the Exodus shares, click the link above and bookmark the investors page. TikTok, with more than 700 million users, recently announced a new partnership with the blockchain music company Audius. The partnership will allow Audius artists to transfer their tracks to TikTok so that users can put them in their videos. Although it's still a young platform, Audius actually has a fairly impressive list of artists on their roster, including Skrillex and Deadmau5. Audio, the Audius governance token, has been on fire ever since the partnership was announced. Currently, the Audio token is trading at $3.20, up 100% from $1.60 just a few days ago. And it's great to see a decentralized platform take on this type of high-profile partnership, and we're really excited for Audius and all Audio token holders as the blockchain crosses over into one of the largest social platforms in the world. Thanks for watching, everyone, and we'll see you next week. Make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons, and until next time, hold on.